Alright, and we're finishing up here. This took about 10 minutes or so. So, it all depends on how much you have on your hard drive. So we're just waiting for this setup to format. Here we go, you hear the disk. Start copying files over, start up programs, or start installing those, everything that comes with it. It should take it's very quick. Installing my computer, my documents, all that good stuff. So I'll actually come back when this is done. This should only take about 5 minutes tops. Alright guys, this was only about 3 minutes this took, so quite easy. Just waiting for the bar to finish. And please wait till setup installizes your XP configuration or Windows 7. So restart your computer. Leave the CD in, don't forget. Now it's just going to boot from the hard drive. Even though your CD needs to be in there, it does copy a bunch of stuff over again. You should see a new OS-esque looking thing. It's going to tell you, welcome to Windows XP, or welcome to Windows 7. It's going to ask you to set up your computer. All that good stuff. Yeah, see, we got a loading bar. This should go pretty quick. This might not happen on your computer. All computers are different. Just reminding you, it doesn't happen. It's not like you're missing out. And here's the UI. It's installing. And your computer might restart a couple times during this process. This is totally normal. And yeah, so installing Windows takes a little bit. This whole process takes about an hour. It's not that bad. It should take a little less for me. And by the way, this setup right here, the estimated time, is never right. So don't even go by it. You'll watch it go down like 5 minutes every time it downloads something. So, and then I think I'm gonna skip finalizing installation, because this is probably the same thing as this is. And I'll bring you up when you ask for it restarts and asks for your name and all that stuff. So I'll be right back. Alright, and I'm back. And here is where it starts to ask you personal information here. This is regional and language options. You're just going to leave this all alone and you're just going to hit next. You're going to type in your name, so I'm going to type in Drew. You don't need to put an organization unless you're in an office or something. Next. I'm just going to name it Drew slash, I'm going to name it IBM. Alright. You can put a password on here. I suggest you do so. I'm not going to, because I'm going to format this again anyway. Let's hit next. It's going to ask you where you are and what time zone it is. So I am in Eastern zone. So Eastern time, US and Canada. And it is November 18th, 12:43 in the morning. Next. It's going to install the network. This shouldn't take too long. See, like I said with the time, it is moving right along here. It was at like 35 minutes. But once it installs these little stuff and drivers, it goes pretty quick. See, it just skipped down to 29 minutes. Now it's going to start copying the files over from the CD. Now this might take a little bit, so I'll come back when this is done. And now it says it's completing installation. So we're going to see how that works out for us. I don't think it's done because that's to finalize. Computer is so loud and old. This is why you need a MacBook, guys. No, I'm just kidding. I love Windows. I started out on Windows. I started out on this computer, really, for YouTube. And installing start menu items. This shouldn't take a while at all. This is all stuff that's already copied over. It's just putting everything in place now. So your computer should have restarted after finalizing everything. And now it says, do you want to improve your appearance on the desktop? It's just display settings. You can just hit OK. And you can just hit OK up here. It's just asking if you want to adjust the screen. And now it'll display will adjust to your screen itself, which is pretty cool. Oh yeah, my light on again, sorry about that. Alright. Here's a cool little logo. Yay, Windows XP. Congratulations. Just gonna ask you if you want to take a tour. I'm just gonna hit no. I'm just gonna hit next. Helpers your PC, you're gonna hit yes with that. I'm gonna hit next. You type in your name as the user. So I'm going to type in Drew. And that's the only person that's using that. Otherwise, you can set up other accounts where other people can use your computer also. So if it was your family computer and you hit finish. And it's going to load up the desktop here. It's going to tell you welcome. And we're just waiting on the welcome screen. And here we go, we're loading up here. Got some progress. Just set up everything for you. And there you go. So you guys just hit desktop for the first time. It's going to prompt you that, look, there's a start menu now, because Windows Me didn't have a really good start menu. So there you go, you got everything. Alright? So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and like it. That was the same thing. So if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the yellow button above your video to subscribe to me. Or under the video, you can subscribe to me also. Also read the description for more info on this video and more videos to come.